Ever wondered what a 28-inch luggage size means? Well, you're not alone. This is a common question among travel enthusiasts. When we talk about luggage sizes, we're referring to the height, width, and depth of the bag, typically measured in inches or centimeters. The 28-inch size, a popular choice among many travelers, stands for these combined dimensions. It's a size that offers a balance between storage capacity and convenience. So, let's delve into what a 28-inch luggage size truly entails. When we talk about the 28-inch luggage size, we're referring to the height of the suitcase from the bottom to the top, including the wheels. Now, this size is especially popular among those who are planning long trips, or simply those who need to bring a lot of items with them. The spacious interior of a 28-inch suitcase allows for a generous amount of packing space. Interestingly, this size can usually fit in the overhead compartments of larger airplanes, making it a convenient option for those who prefer to keep their luggage within arm's reach. However, on smaller aircrafts, you may need to check in this size. Another important point to note is that a fully packed 28-inch suitcase typically stays within the weight limits set by most airlines. This means you won't have to worry about any unpleasant surprises at the check-in counter. So the next time you're packing for a trip, remember the 28-inch luggage size. It's your ticket to a hassle-free travel experience. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about the 28-inch luggage size. This measurement refers to the height of the suitcase and is ideal for longer trips or for those of us who need a bit more packing space. It's designed to fit in the overhead compartments of larger airplanes, and when fully packed, it typically stays within most airlines' weight restrictions. Understanding luggage sizes can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, the next time you're in the market for a new suitcase, remember the 28-inch size. It might just be the perfect fit for your travel needs.